Alright, we'll show you how to configure a voice AI assistant or a voice AI agent inside your Voiceaiwrapper account. So for this, I'll head over to the assistants menu option, click on add assistants, give it a name and start from there. I already have a demo Outbound assistant created here. So as you can see, I've given it a greeting. Then I have added information about what kind of questions it should answer on the call. I've defined the role and identity of the agent. I've outlined the objective behind the call. I've also added some information about the value and services that we offer so that the agent is able to take on these questions in case the caller asks about these things. One more thing which is possible is to add a knowledge base. So if you have a lot of information beyond what you can write in the prompt, you can also add a help file or a knowledge base. This can be like a lot of information about your product and service. So in case these questions come up, the agent is going to be able to answer them as well. There are additional settings, like for instance, you can select which transcriber you want to use for the agent. You can select the language. You can also use different voice types. We have integrated a lot of voice providers inside our system, and each provider has a corresponding voice, and you can sample these voices and pick the one that looks good to you. And then under actions, you can define things like when do you end the call, under what scenarios you want to transfer the call, and if you want to transfer the call when there's a certain phrase being spoken, or the caller mentioned something on the call, and so on and so forth. Under advanced, we'll cover this in details. Tools are basically actions that you want the agent to take while the call is happening. If you want the agent to, let's say, check for availability on our calendar and then book a meeting, there are tools which can be set up to check your Calendar.com calendar, or for that matter any calendar, and then also book a meeting. Then there are advanced configuration settings, like when do you want the agent to start speaking, how slow you want it to speak, controls about punctuation, and so on and so forth. So once you have configured this, you just hit Save Assistant, and you can hit the Test Assistant button right here, and you can try out a test call with the agent to make sure it speaks exactly the way you want it to.